there. Welcome to the ingredient channel where I share easy to follow homemade Chinese recipes. In this episode, I'm going to show you how to make crunchy spiced peanuts, a flavorful and healthy snack. Now, get your drinks ready as the recipe is so easy and only involves 2 steps. Step 1. About 1½ cup of shelled peanuts. Add 1½ cup of water, 1½ teaspoon salt, 2 teaspoon dark soy sauce, 1 teaspoon 5 spices, and 1 star anise. Cover, boil, and simmer for 15 minutes. Dump the liquid. Dry the peanut on a shelf for about 2 hours or more. Step 2. Air fry. At 375 Fahrenheit for 10 minutes. And flip the peanuts and check out from time to time in between. Cool the peanuts down completely for perfect crisp. Enjoy! Nutty, crunchy, with a great taste of the spices. If you enjoyed the short video, please comment, like, and subscribe. See you next time.